Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel from Alicante Real Estate. My name is Mike and today we are located in La Mata. La Mata is a part of Torrevieja and it's popular for the very beautiful beach promenade where you can walk like 2-3 kilometers, and there are a lot of shops, little shops and restaurants where you can eat local food. And now let's go in Parque Mar 4. It's a very nice urbanization. Come on. And now we are here on the urbanization. It's a Parque Mar 4. It's very clean urbanization, and it's well kept. And now we can go to the pool area and then we show the apartment. Come on. So now we are here at the pool area. As you can see, you have a nice and big pool over here and a very nice green spot here where you can chill out. And also good to know is that you have a garage and a storage room. And now we can go inside in the apartment. Come on. So now we are here on the entrance. The apartment is on the ground floor. So as you can see, we have here very nice and clean entrance, and we also have an elevator, but you don't need it because we are here the apartment right now. And let's go in, come on. So now let's go in the apartment. As you can see, first we go here to the living room. We have a nice big living room. It's fresh painted. What you can do is make new furniture, and then it's a very nice room right there. And what we also have is a air conditioner that is centralized. So you in every room you have air condition, and I think that's very nice. So now we can go to the kitchen. It's half open, so you have here a nice little bar where you can look if there's family or friends and you are not in the kitchen alone. So we have full equipment kitchen, also a dishwasher, and it's not always there, but here we have one and I think it's very nice and you can keep it here. So we have the balcony here. Over here is built in with glass, so in wintertime it's very nice to spend time also here, and in summertime you can open every window so that you have a nice balcony also. And now we can go in to the bedroom. We have one bedroom. Come, I show you. The bedroom is also air conditioned, as you can see here. It's full furnished. We have a storage room right on this way, and we have one bathroom. As to, it's right here at the bathroom. You have also the washing machine, and you have a shower, and you also have a little window that lights can come in. Always good to know is we have here a storage room where you can put things in there, and right over here we have a park. It's a very nice park. You can walk to the beach in 600 meters. The apartment costs 128,000 euro. If you are interested, you can call me or write me a message, and don't forget to follow us. See you next time. Bye.